G'day cocktail lovers. May 7th is Cosmopolitan Day. Most well-known drinks have their day. May 7th is apparently Cosmopolitan Day. And I wanted to use this occasion to ask, why is this drink so popular? My hot take, possibly controversial, it is not a great drink. It's too heavy on the cranberry juice the way most people make it, so it overpowers even the lime and the triple sec you put in there. And given that it's almost invariably made with vodka these days, all you get is cranberry juice. It's an alcohol delivery system that's cranberry flavored. So why is it so popular? There have been drinks called the Cosmopolitan published in cocktail books for at least 100 years, and most of them bear no relationship to what we consider the modern Cosmopolitan. Drinks that are like that started to appear in the 70s and gained popularity in the 80s. The common theme was a clear spirit base, whether that be gin or vodka, and then something to make it red, whether that was grenadine or cranberry, and often with a bit of lime thrown in. There are quite a few bartenders who created drinks independently they called a Cosmopolitan, all with their own differences, but you can see how they came together to form the modern Cosmopolitan, and this is just since the 1980s. Cheryl Cook, Neil Murray, Melissa Huffsmith, Toby Cecchini, they all had their Cosmopolitans, and they're at least recognisable cousins of what you'd get if you ordered a Cosmopolitan at a bar today. But you can pin down one person who was more influential than all the others in popularising the Cosmo in the 1990s, and that's Dale DeGroff. He never claimed to have invented the Cosmo, although some people tend to credit it to him, but he describes it as perfecting the recipe, and it certainly became very popular. But of course, what sent the Cosmo into the stratosphere in the 90s? Sex and the City, where the girls all drank their Cosmos. And that's probably due to Dale DeGroff popularising the Cosmo in the 90s. And Sex and the City actually led me to an interesting discovery about the Cosmo. I made a video a while back, inspired by Sex and the City. I made the Cosmo 4 different ways, 4 different base spirits, inspired by each of the girls. Carrie was obviously vodka, because she's boring. I included tequila in the mix as a wild card. I did not expect it to be good. I expected to pull a face after tasting it, but you may not believe me, and your palate may vary, but for me, tequila is the best base spirit for a Cosmo. It actually holds up to the cranberry juice and creates a drink that has character rather than just being an alcohol delivery system that tastes like cranberry juice. So give it a go. In a shaker, put 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of tequila, then half an ounce or 15 mils of triple sec, then 1 ounce or 30 mils of your cranberry juice, and just 1/4 ounce, around 7.5 mils of lime juice. Add ice to the shaker, shake it good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds, and then strain it into a martini glass. It doesn't need to be in a martini glass, but I think that is one of the reasons the modern Cosmo is so popular. It looks cool. You get this nice red drink. It's in an elegant martini glass. You feel like you look cool. Madonna was photographed in the 90s drinking it, and everyone wanted it then. You can have it too, but please, just explore. If tequila scares you, try white rum, try gin, but please, broaden your horizons. Don't make it with vodka. That's so sad. Why is this drink so popular? My answer to why this drink is so popular is it's the success of style over substance. It looks cool, you can feel cool drinking it, but it's not the greatest tasting drink, but you can improve it. I recommend you do that. And you know what? If you really just want to go the vodka route, you do you. Just know that I'm judging you. I'm going to have it my way. You have it your way, and until next time, cheers.